Swift, and I've got my colleague here, Chloe Scubis, and we're from NB Property Law. Today we thought we'd take you through what additional foreign inquirer's duty actually is and what foreign buyers need to know about it. So I've got a few questions I thought I'd ask Chloe to help you gain some insight information into that. So I suppose to start off with, Chloe, what actually is a foreign buyer?
So a foreign buyer is essentially anybody who is not an Australian citizen or permanent resident of Australia. If you are not too sure whether you're a temporary or permanent resident, you can look up your visa subclass with the Department of Home Affairs. That will tell you whether it's temporary resident or permanent. Permanent means that you are not considered a foreign buyer, but temporary means you are considered foreign.
Wonderful, thank you. Now, all people in Queensland that are purchasing a property have to pay transfer duty, but as a foreign buyer, understand that additional foreign inquirer's duty is payable. So what actually is additional foreign inquirer's duty?
So additional foreign inquirer's duty essentially arises when somebody is purchasing property in Australia. Because it is a state-to-state legislation, we specifically deal with properties purchased in Queensland. The property has to be residential land, so it can't be a commercial building. And the contract, the agreement to purchase, has to be on or before 1 October 2016. These are the conditions that foreign buyers must meet in order to be considered to allow to purchase in Australia.
Wonderful. And so how do they actually calculate what AFAD, which is short for additional foreign inquirer's duty, is payable?
So it is a very quick calculation in Queensland. It varies state to state, but in Queensland, additional foreign inquirer's duty is 7% of your contract purchase price, and that's GST inclusive. But it's only calculated on the interest that the foreign buyer is acquiring. So if the foreign buyer is acquiring only half of the interest in the property, while the other half is an Australian citizen, then the additional foreign inquirer's duty is only calculated on half of the purchase price.
Wonderful, that's good to know. Now, do you actually have to notify anyone that you are a foreign buyer?
Yes, you must notify the Australian Taxation Office that you are a foreign buyer. From the end of July this year, new foreign buyer legislation came into effect, so that you not only have to notify the ATO, but you have to notify them through the Australian Taxation Office portal, MyGov. Set yourself up that you're a foreign entity, and then you do that before you can even try to apply to the Australian Taxation Office for approval of your purchase.
Wonderful. That certainly gives us a bit more insight, I suppose, to who a foreign buyer is and what their obligations are in relation to reporting that, and also the additional costs they have to pay with additional foreign inquirer's duty. So thank you very much, Chloe, for assisting us with that. If you are looking to purchase property as a foreign buyer and have some further questions, then please don't hesitate to contact either Chloe or myself.